It is now time to put all of our effort together and to obtain our tidy dataset. For doing that, we will use the Tidyface function. Jenny, could you tell us a little bit more about the Tidyface function, please?
Tidy_face is a wrapper function that uses several low-level functions to transform a face's object into a tidy data frame. It worked through 5 steps. 1. It merges all the datasets in our list together. 2. It calculates the length of each videos. 3. The function separates dichotomic variables, or events, which describe if something is happening or not, like smiles, and continuous variables that describe the intensity of something, like our may variable. 4. It summarizes the events as sums or rates. 5. It summarizes continuous variables. The standard output is mean and standard deviation, but other options are available.
Thank you very much, Jenny. And let's see how we are actually doing it. So here is our Tidyface function. And we, first of all, have as a first argument the dataset, which is my faces underscore W. And then we have events. And we decided, yes, we want the events to be summarized. So event is true. And we also want the continuous variables to be summarized. So we set both of them as true. We decide to have the sum as event as EPM, so events per minutes. There are other options available like event per seconds, EPS, count, and rate. Finally, we decide in this case to not display the mean and not display the standard deviation as would be the normal output, but to display instead the median. Let's see what happens. And here you can see that we have a data set in which each video is a row, happy 1, happy 2, happy 3, set 1, set 2, set 3. And we have the length of the video, this always happens, so how many seconds it lasts. And then we have an amount of smiles per minute. So we can see that in happy videos, there are much more than in sad videos. The AU06, so the eyes when you smile, variable, the AU12, so the mouth when your mouth variable, and finally the motion intensity, the average motion intensity. Even in this case, is much higher in happy videos than in sad videos. So pretty much that's all. You can now use OpenFaceR. But before you go, there is a bonus video that Jenny created for you for explaining you a little bit more about the variables in OpenFace.